So as you can see my screen, right? So
Yes, Amit.
every data point they lies on x and y axis, right? Even in any space, if you draw any data point, they will have an x and y1 value, right? X1, y1 means what? With respect to x axis where it is lying, and with respect to y axis where it is lying, right? So every data point will have, as this data point is two dimension, right? So it will have a length and breadth, right? So how much is the length, how much is the breadth, where in which space they are occupying? Is it clear to everyone? X1 y1 is what? X1 y1 means with respect to x axis where this data point is lying, and with respect to y axis where this data point is lying.
Mhm.
Okay,
Mhm.
Geeta, Urmila, is it clear to you?
Yes, Amit.
Urmila?
Yes, Amit.
Okay. So this x1, y1 tells you, suppose we have one graph, okay? Let me show you. You can see this graph, right? In this graph, this point lies, if I ask you what is x1, y1 for this point, what you're going to say?
X1, Y1.
1 1.
Yes, correct. For this 2, 2, right? x1
Yes,
is
right.
2, y1 is 2. So if I say what is the difference between these two, how you're going to find it out?
So differences we find it by
The
uh,
formula.
X2, Y2 minus X1, Y1.
Correct.
The formula, yeah.
Yeah. So if you do,
Mm.
uh, then what you will going to get? Means here 1 1 and 2 2. So 2 minus 1 square, 2 minus 1 square. So it will be 1 square, that is 2. And if you take under root, then it will become under root of 2 will be 1.41. So nearly the distance is 1, right? Do you understand what I said? See the
Mhm.
formula, if you see here, x2 x1 y2 y1. So it is supposed 2 2. It's very interesting. I like this algorithm very much. Suppose this is 2 2 and this is 1 1.
Okay.
If anyone asks you which algorithm you work, based on your understanding, you can say anything. But I will suggest you, if you can say this KNN, it's very easy to define this one because this based on mathematics. So if you in under root of 2, okay, you will going to write here x1. Okay, here x1 is what 1 and x2 is what 2, right? So in you what you will going to do 2 minus 1 whole
Mm.
square, right?
All square.
Plus again 2 minus 1 whole square.
Mm.
Okay. So what you will
Mm.
going to get 2 minus 1 will be 1. 1 square
One.
will be 1 plus
One.
2 minus 1 will be 1. 1
Mm.
square will be 1. So you will going
Mm.
to get
Root 2.
root 2. And when you're going to find it out the root 2 equivalent, it will be something approximately equal to 1.41, which is you can take it as a 1 or as well. So the distance between these two is approximately equal to 1. 1.41 means nearby 1 only. So it will be 1, right? And that's the reason we use Euclidean distance formula. There are other formula as well, Manhattan, and those are as well, but these are give more accuracy. Now
Yes.
suppose if you do not consider this, if you do not consider square root, in that case you will going to get 2, right? 2 will never be a distance, right? If you take this example, if you see this one, can 2 is a distance? If you subtract 1 from 2, you are going to get distance only 1, right? So that's the reason we use Euclidean. So do you understand how we find it out the distance in KNN algorithm?
Yes, Amit.
Yes, Amit.
Okay, great. So like this it work. We're going to find it out the distance and based on the whichever the distance. So here I've shown you for two data point. Suppose you want to find it out for k is equal to 3. You have to find it out the distance for this to this, then for this with respect to this, then again for this with respect to this. Whichever is the nearer, it will going to belong to that categories. So this algorithm work exactly in that way. Let me rub this. So this is called as an algorithm. Uh, Implementation part is same as we do every time. Same data set. We have to find it out whether the user will going to purchase or not. Here also same step are there. There's nothing will going to change. You can see all are remain same that we have seen yesterday. Only the thing will going to change it here. K nearest neighbor. Okay. You have to import. Yesterday we have seen import logistic regression, linear regression, decision tree. Here you have to write k nearest neighbor,
Yes.
and to that k nearest algorithm, you have to tell how much k value you want to consider. Here, n neighbor 5 I am giving. What does it mean? That k value is 5. We never pass k is equal to 5. We pass like this, n neighbor equal to 5, which mean k is equal to 5. Metric is equal to Minkowski. What does it mean? That distance formula I want to consider is Minkowski. If you do not want this, you can use uh, Euclidean as well in metric. And p is equal to 2, which mean that standard Euclidean metric, it's similar to the Euclidean. So either you can pass p is equal to 2, which mean that you will get complete detail here. You can see here. This n neighbor defined you k value. Metric means this is a distance formula that you want to consider, and p is equal to 2 means it is equivalent to Euclidean metric, means the mathematicals you will going to use Euclidean as well here. Then you have to just fit on the train data, and it will going to give you the result. So it's very simple, right? Like
Okay.
previous example. Yeah,
I mean, one thing. So you said before that we needed to go through train phase, but still there is a train phase as well.
this is not a train phase. This is the code where you are giving test size, and this is here we are not doing training, we are just walk through the code. Here you tell me like here in this code, do you see somewhere like we are doing training? We are just dividing the data into train and test set, but we are not doing training here. We just divide it. Okay. And at
Got
that
it.
time of prediction, we're going to consider the data for walkthrough. The only difference
Okay.
is we're not going to walk through the code at training phase. I got your point. Let me always remember, if anyone asks you, you can say that we will not going to waste a time while training. Okay, in KNN, we will going to divide the data between training set and test set, but while testing, we will going to walk through the training data. It means that you are not doing any training. You are just walk through while testing itself. So it saves your time and it gives you prediction. So this point you note down while when you watch this video, note down this point. There is no training in k nearest neighbor. You're going to walk through the data and find out the pattern while testing itself. So that will going to save a time.
Okay.
Okay, do you understand?
So then after what is this two format over there below that one?
Which format? This one?
No, there is two format. Two. Yeah, these two format. One is oh, that's a pre and past. Okay, got it,
See,
got it.
your
Okay.
data set is like this. See, what does it
Okay.
mean extra and X test? This data set is divided into two parts, training
Okay.
test. Y10 and Y
Okay.
test is a label. Y is what?
Got
A
it.
dependent variable, right? Which you want
Mm.
to predict. So this is a for training data. This is for test data. Then you are going to split it, but you are not doing training here. You are just
Mm.
after splitting it, you are going to use the training data for doing testing as well. Means That training data you are going to use while testing to walk through and to understand pattern.
Got it. Yeah, I was talking that to
Yeah.
both are testing. Okay, that's fine.
Yes. So then when you are going to draw the graph, then it will going to be visible like this. If you see here, the green color will belong to one category, red one will belong to another category. But if you see carefully, in green one as well, you will get the red data point. In red one as well, you will get green data point. What is this thing? Always remember, you won't get 100% accuracy. There are few data points which belong to red category, but they are kept nearby this green one. So they are called as a incorrect prediction, or you can say outlier. If you remember, outlier is what I told you in the few days before. What is an outlier?
Outlier is a vast different, is a vast
Yes.
difference, which is not the correct.
Yeah, correct. So this red data point do not belong to one category, but as they are near to this one, that's why we are classifying this into this category. But their attribute will remain same. That's why they are representing with red color, but they are coming in a green region because they are near to the green data point. Similarly, if you see in the red, this green data point, it's showing with a green color, but they are near to this red data point. That's why they are coming into this category, but they are incorrectly classified. Do you understand this, Urmila, Geeta?
Yes, Amit.
Okay. So you go through this. I'm sharing the link in the WhatsApp as well. Okay. Go through this, make a note, save this in the form of PDF, right? I told you how to save it. Control P and save it. So you will have this file with you always. You can read it before the interview. And you see here very easily they have explained everything, right? So tomorrow I will going to start neural network, and by this week I will going to complete one or two more algorithm. Then I will from next week onward we're going to start database and Tableau or Power BI something. Okay, and we're going to start your marketing as well. And regarding practical, we have not done. Means I have shown you the code, but I have to show you practical as well. So we're going to do it on Friday class. Practical how to run this code on Google Colab and Jupyter Notebook. So first we're going to see installation, then we're going to see how to run this there. Okay. So you go through it today. This link I'm sharing on the chat. I'm sending you on the chat, and I'm going to upload it in a WhatsApp as well with video. So you will find it there. Okay. Any question, any one of you?
No.
Okay, Urmila, to you. Urmila, do you have any question?
No, Amit.
Leknath.
No, Amit, thank you for asking.
Okay. So go through this. Okay. And wherever the things are not clear, note down and ask me. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll connect tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you,
Bye.
Amit.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Take care.
Good night, Amit.